Hey guys, it's Yuri here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's really nice having you here. Do subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Now, if you did subscribe, head down to the comment section and type, "Hey Yudi, I have subscribed." I promise to reply to your comments. So, the Samsung Galaxy A22 is one of Samsung's latest device, and you could say it has some big shoes to fill, given that its predecessor, the Samsung A21s, was one of the best-selling Android phone of 2020. In this video, I'm going to be talking about everything you should know about the Samsung Galaxy A22 and if you can carry on the legacy of the Samsung A21s. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So first, let's start with the design and build quality of the Samsung Galaxy A22. It's completely made out of plastic. That's a plastic frame and a plastic back. The back kind of looks like glass, but it's just glossy plastic. Really glossy plastic. It's fingerprint city. We find the quad rear cameras towards the top left corner of the rear, and below that is the Samsung branding. The buttons are on the right side of the phone. That's the volume rockers and the power button, which also doubles as the fingerprint sensor. To the left, we have the dual SIM card plus memory card slot. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, and at the bottom, we find the speaker and the microphone, and the ports, the audio jack and the USB Type-C ports. The Samsung A22 has a nice screen, and it's big. It's 6.4 inches. It's a 720p Super AMOLED 90Hz display with a max brightness of 600 nits. This is already way better than the A21s display. At the top of the display is the single selfie camera in the water drop notch. It's a 13 megapixel selfie camera which is capable of 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. If you're enjoying the video so far, give this video a like so YouTube will recommend this video to other people and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As I said earlier, we have quad rear cameras on the Samsung A22. A 48 megapixel main sensor which is capable of 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, an 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth and macro cameras. Now these cameras are almost identical to the cameras on the A21s, but the main sensor on the Samsung A22 has optical image stabilization (OIS). This is the most affordable phone I know to have optical image stabilization. The Samsung A22 comes with 4GB of RAM and either 64 or 128GB of storage. It starts at $180 or 89,000 naira. Android 11 on One UI Core 3.1 is the operating system on the Samsung A22. Software updates are expected here. The Android 12 update should come to the Samsung A22. It's powered by the same processor on its older brother, the Samsung A32. That's the MediaTek Helio G80, a gaming optimized processor. So this device will do fine for gaming. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 15 watts of fast charging. The Samsung A22 is better than the Samsung A21s. It has a better screen, better camera, and better software support because it's a newer device. And yeah, if the specs and features are any clue, it should carry on the A21s legacy quite well. Do tell me what you think of the Samsung Galaxy A22. Would you consider it to be your next phone? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a like by hitting the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.